Hi everyone! In this short video, I'll explain how to restore offline samples in Ableton Live 11. I'll use one of my latest projects as an example. You can find this song on my channel. This happens when the sample destination folder is moved or renamed. But don't worry, there's a very quick way to fix all the samples in just a few clicks. First, you will recognize an offline sample because it will look different. It will be transparent, as in this case. The first thing to do is go to Missing Media Files. Click on the orange bar at the bottom that warns you that samples are missing. Okay, first go to Search folder and set the destination folder for the samples. Select the folder where you keep all your samples. In my case, I simply called it Samples. Once you've done that, proceed and press Go. It may take a while, depending on how large your sound library is. At this point, it should have already replaced the missing samples. But it may happen that some samples are not replaced, and the reason may be that there are files with the same name. In this case, we identify the name of the sample in question. Click on the question mark or magnifying glass. You will be shown the samples in Collections. Select the appropriate one and drag it onto the sample name. As you can see, the sample has been restored. If this warning appears, it means that you have other missing samples. Press Yes, and Ableton will try to restore them and find other candidates. If you notice other missing samples, repeat this process for the other samples, but I doubt that will happen, because Ableton will be able to restore all samples in 99% of cases. Sometimes this warning may appear even if there are no other missing samples, as in this case. It could be a bug, or perhaps it refers to some sample with the same name that you didn't use to replace it. Honestly, I don't know why this happens. However, if in doubt, I would press Yes. Now save the project and the problem is solved. If I've been helpful, leave a like and subscribe.